Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience in Meta Business Suite. Okay, so we're going to create a custom audience here, and this is really helpful if you would like to send an ad to only a specific group of people. So we are going to go over here at the top. It says more. This is on business.facebook.com, which is Meta Business Suite, and this is the home page. Here we are going to click on create ad. You can also do this with your boosted posts, but I'm going to show you on an ad. And basically it's the same process. You're just choosing out a piece of an audience that you would like to have shown your ad. Here you can choose a goal that you would like to aim for when creating your ad. So whatever it is out of these options, go ahead and choose what it is that you would like. I'm going to click on get more messages just as a recommendation and also just for example purposes. Now, this is where you actually create the ad part. Okay, so here you will see that we have our goal that we just chose. We have our ad creative. Here is where you can use an existing post that you have already posted to create into an ad, or you can go down here, you can choose media and create a whole brand new ad. Here is a headline, your advantage plus creative, and your message template. We also have our message destination and how it will actually be sent. If you are doing WhatsApp, you'll have to just set up a number here, and then you can come down, and the last thing you will see over here before you publish your ad is the audience. Now, if you go over here, you'll see we have the advantage plus. So this lets their ad technology automatically find your audience and adjust this audience over time, depending on the audience and depending on trends, depending on your ads, and a bunch of more factors. If you go down over here, you'll see audience detail, and you can click on this pencil icon, and we can start customizing who our audience is. So we can say we only want this to be sent to women. We want to change the age range over here. So let's say we want to make it between 30 and 45, for example. Here you can choose locations. So let's say perhaps you want to choose a country, or let's say you want to choose a region within a country. You can do that as well. And then you can see that there is a radius. So over here, this is your radius. If you come down, you'll have the detailed targeting. And here you can click on browse. There are different demographics, everything from education, finance, life events, parents, relationships, work. So just for example, let's say that you want the relationship status to be perhaps married, and this is why you want your audience to be married, because you're creating a product or a service that'll appeal only to individuals that are married. You'll also see different interest groups over here, and then behavior. So whatever it is that you see that is appropriate for your ad, go ahead and choose whatever it is. Now, once you're done, go ahead, click on Save Audience. This will become one of your saved audiences, okay? What you will now do is, if you want to click on Create New, you can create a whole new audience, give it a name, and do all of the same things that we just did. And every time you want to create an ad, if you want to advertise to different audiences, all you have to do is select that audience without having to do all of the detail over and over per ad.